In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Chrome and search for recent patch notes and technical walkthroughs while also checking your device backup status through linked web services before you begin. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device. Once the browser is open, go to the address bar at the top and type in a clear search related to the update, software, or system you want to learn about. For example, you can search for recent patch notes, release notes, update changelogs, or technical walkthroughs connected to your device, app, or platform. The goal here is to find the most current and reliable information available. As you review the search results, focus on trustworthy sources first. Official support pages, developer documentation, release note pages, and recognized technical knowledge bases are usually the best places to start. Patch notes can help you understand what has changed in a recent update, including bug fixes, new features, security improvements, and known issues. Technical walkthroughs are useful because they can guide you through the update process or help explain any preparation steps in more detail. Before attempting anything on your device, take a moment to verify your backup status using the linked web services associated with your account or platform. This is an important precaution because if something goes wrong during an update or troubleshooting process, having a current backup can help protect your data and settings. Open the appropriate web service in Chrome and sign in if needed, making sure not to share or expose any personal login details while doing so. Once you're in the backup section, check whether your device has been backed up recently. Look for the latest backup date, the status of the backup, and whether important categories like files, settings, or app data have been included. If the backup appears outdated or incomplete, it may be a good idea to pause and address that before continuing with any technical changes. After confirming that your backup is current, go back to the patch notes and walkthroughs you found earlier and read through them carefully. Pay close attention to any warnings, compatibility notes, or required preparation steps. This helps reduce the risk of errors and gives you a clear idea of what to expect. By following this process, you're not only staying informed with the latest technical information, but also making sure your data is protected before you move forward. That combination of preparation and